Hello UK lock spots and fellow pickers. I think I've got a BRINKS 70mm lock with a boron shackle. Here's the keyway and here's the key. The story behind this lock is when my sister went to Miami, she bought it for me. I asked for an American lock, well, two of them, but she couldn't find them, so she just bought me this. But I don't think she actually looked, to be honest. It's got a bar bearing. It's very heavy lock. Quite a nice lock as well. I'll have to vice it up to pick it. I'll be using a Peterson gem and a homemade bicycle spoke tension wrench. I could use a pry bar, but I'm not comfortable with the pry bar inside. There you go. Got a bit of a false set going on. There. Got a bigger false set then. I think BJ Mully picked this lock yesterday and he done a good job, better than me anyway. There, I'm in a big fault set. There's the big fault set there. Ooh, I thought I had it then. There we go. Open. There you go. BRINKS 70mm open. Back to normal. Thank you very much. Oh, another thing, I need help. Please can someone tell me how to tension this ASA lock. I'm not getting nowhere with it. I've been at it for the last 2 days. I'm just getting in a false set. I don't know how much tension to put on it. Is it moderate or light? Please can someone help me? Thank you very much.